Welcome back to Ben's Carpentry and Joinery. Today we are replacing an old solid door with a brand new wooden frame glass door. Let's go step by step. Step 1. We are removing the old door closer. The first thing to do, unscrew and take out the existing door closer. Step 2. Remove old door. Remove it by detaching from hinges carefully. Step 3. Remove old architrave. Gently pry off without damaging the wall. Step 4. Remove old door frame. Dismantle and clear the opening for the new door to be installed. Step 5. Fit in new door frame. Positioning levels and secure the door. Step 5. Fit in new door frame. Positioning the door frame. Make it level and secure with screws. Step 6. Fix new hinges. Align properly for smooth movement. Step 7. Fix new door to frame. Hang and check alignment. Make sure the door is aligned with the frame and the wall to ensure a smooth movement. Step 8. Fix new architrave to the frame. Secure neatly for a clean finish using a Dewar second fix gun. Step 9. Fix new door closer and door stopper. Adjust for perfect operation. That once the door opens, it closes smoothly without any interference. So make sure it is perfect. It is adjusted perfectly. So you can see the door frame and everything is fixed. And this is to cure the equipment that you see in this video and ready for use. Make sure you subscribe for more carpentry and joinery projects from Ben's Carpentry and Joinery. Thank you. That is how we replace an old solid door with a stylish wooden frame glass door. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more carpentry and joinery projects from Ben's Carpentry and Joinery. Thank you for watching.